Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have this for sale, Yamaha MT-10. Superb bikes these, they really are. I used to have one of these the same year, the same colour, and it was fantastic, really fun to ride. So this one's got the Akrapovic exhaust with the Leo steer cap. It's got the comfort seat, which I think is a bit of a must-have on these. And this one, we've ECU remapped it. It's also got the Yamaha quickshifter on there as well. And they're really well spec'd. You get traction control, you get different riding modes, you get LED lights, digital display, gear indicator. So really mega spec bikes. The sound absolutely unreal. I'm sure you've just heard that in the promo video before this bit. It's got some engine protection down at the bottom, which I do believe is Gillies. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Gillies. So you've got Gillies protection there on both sides, and also the oil cap as well. But yeah, mega spec'd up bike, super comfortable and mega fast. So if you do want it, give us a call, get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.